Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 in the Sporting specification. This has got a 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 130 horsepower. Outside the car there's reverse parking sensors and 16-inch alloy wheels. Inside you've got the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as full Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got automatic headlights, wipers, dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. The car's done 10,500 miles and is £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.